Hi guys, so for today's design I'm going to do some sponging. As you can see, I'm using pink and purple. The purple is a little bit sheer, so I will just take a few coats to build up the colour to the desired effect. I'm now going to use some turquoise to start creating leopard print. I'm just using the brush that actually comes with the polish because I think it helps give that irregular and more realistic shape. To make it look more like it's actually leopard print, we're going to partially surround the turquoise and put some black random dots. Lastly, because you know how much I love glitter, we're going to put a glitter top coat on.